Okay. A little bit more about robocalls. So anyone with a phone number can get them because they're pulling from huge databases, random dialing. They're doing all kinds of things. Now, political candidates and charities can do robocalling, but that we don't get too many of those calls. Okay. Also, robocalls are very hard to trace. Um, you can have auto dialers in one country, and it goes through this computer and that computer and this IP address and that IP address, and it just bounces all around. And again, it's just very hard to trace where it's coming from. And a lot of them are coming from internationally. There's the Telephone Consumer Protection Act that was passed some time ago, 20 years or more. There is a do not call list. You can Google that, by the way, and put your phone numbers on it. It won't hurt. CAN-SPAM Act has some impact. It's primarily for emails, though. Then there's something called the Trace Act, which is just being implemented starting in 2020. The Trace Act, as you can see, will help with a robocall problem. It helps. There's technology that can identify a spoof number. And this is why you're getting more warnings, I think. I know I am, on your mobile phone. You know, this could be a scam call or something to that effect. The number is calling you is analyzed using some new technology. It's identified as a neighbor spoof and a robocall, and so the cell phone warns you, in a sense, not to take the call. So things are better. But you know the bad guys always find ways around security that we do. So B2B, inbound always, B2C, inbound always. Got to service our customers. Outbound B2B always, because it's for serving customers. It's also for prospecting and bringing in new accounts. B2C, outbound, I think we have to be very careful with that because there are a lot of negatives. Sometimes you might want to use it for research and doing consumer surveys. I'd say that would be the only time you would use it. So this is what we've covered. And a very quick presentation about telemarketing. Again, it's something we may not think of a lot when we're putting together our marketing plans, but when we think about how we're going to service our customers and handle customer complaints and things like that, we do think about it, and it can be a very useful tool in most cases. Okay. And thanks.